probably already familiar with the Olsen sisters, but have you heard about the famous MCU superstar Elizabeth Olsen, also known as Wanda Maximoff or Scarlet Witch? Because today, we are going to talk about her millionaire lifestyle. How does Elizabeth Olsen spend her millions? How much money did she make from the MCU alone? What are the most famous purchases made by Elizabeth? So many questions! Well, don't worry, because today, we are here with all the answers, and you are going to love them. Elizabeth is one of the famous Olsen sisters, and she is loved by billions of people around the globe for her mind-blowing performances as Wanda Maximoff. She has a great love for traveling, and that's one of the reasons which make her lifestyle super amazing. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic for today's video. Watch till the end for some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Elizabeth Olsen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Elizabeth Olsen is an American actress. She has two sisters and one brother. The whole family is quite famous as most of them work in the film industry. Elizabeth Olsen studied at Campbell Hall School in North Hollywood. After her graduation, she joined Tisch School of Arts at New York University and completed her master's in Moscow, Russia at Moscow Arts Theater School. Her breakthrough came in 2011 when she starred in the independent thriller drama Martha, Marcy, May, Marlene, for which she was nominated for the Critics' Choice Movie Award for Best Actress and the Independent Spirit Award for Best Female Lead, among many others. Elizabeth has worked in many movies, dramas, and shows. She first appeared on screen when she was just 4 years old. Her estimated net worth in August 2021 was around $50 million, most of which has come from the Marvel series as she earned nearly $11 million from MCU alone. Until now, Elizabeth Olsen's movies have grossed nearly $84 billion. Some of the most famous movies of hers include Avengers Infinity War, Avengers Endgame, Captain America Civil War, Martha, Marcy, May, Marlene, Wind River, and Avengers Age of Ultron. In most of her movies, she has played leading roles. Now that you know where most of her money comes from, stick around to find out how she spends it. One of the cars Elizabeth Olsen owns is a black Toyota Prius, which is worth $25,000. Others include a Mercedes S-Class, which she bought for $95,000. And a Toyota Camry worth $25,300. According to the reports, her favorite holiday destination is Dubai, and some of her hobbies include dancing, gymming, and traveling. Now, where does Elizabeth live? Elizabeth Olsen says she is living a British dream. She is currently living in London with her fiancé, musician Robbie Arnett. Olsen described her London home as a British dream in West London in a podcast interview on Table Manners with Jessie Ware. She also explained that when she used to live with her sisters in LA, it was quite difficult because of the press and very scary media-hungry paparazzi always around. So she had to leave LA and move to London. She further explained how she always wanted to come to England. She also stated, "We want to figure out how to stay here, so we now want to write a rom-com, because we don't want to leave. I have such an affinity for England already that last year we were looking into how we could legally live here." Currently, Elizabeth is reprising her role as Wanda, known as the Scarlet Witch in a Disney Plus series, WandaVision, alongside British actor Paul Bettany. Elizabeth Olsen is the youngest of the Olsen sisters. An amazing thing you need to know about Elizabeth is that she likes to stay independent in everything. The roles in movies she has been offered were because of her hard work and passion for acting, and once she was welcomed to the Marvel series, we knew that she was going to hit a new high. Do you think that Elizabeth Olsen is the best of the Olsen sisters? And what do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Elizabeth Olsen? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.